गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों। हाई कोर्ट एपीएस की अगली डिटेशन सौ वर्ड पर मिनट 10 cut ready. Start now. Challenge in this appeal is to the order passed by a learned single judge of the Bombay High Court at Aurangabad. Stop. The writ petition filed by the appellant was dismissed. Stop. Challenge in the writ petition was to the award made by the Labour Court, Aurangabad. Stop and para. Background facts as projected by the appellants are as follows. Stop and para. Respondent was working as a daily wager as Muqaddam and was being paid rupees 30 per day in the Public Works Division, Osmanabad, District, Maharashtra since August, 1984. Stop on 103-1986. The District Commissioner of Labour, Aurangabad created 52 posts of survivor on contract employment. Stop. Respondent joined as survivor in the Office of Divisional Soil Conservation Officer with effect from 3/4/1986 and consolidated pay of rupees 450 per month. Stop. On 25/9/1986, the Deputy Divisional Soil Conservation Officer transferred the respondent to Panda with effect from 6/10/1986 to the Office of Subdivisional and Soil Conservation Officer, Aurangabad. Stop on 5/8/1987. Divisional Soil Conservation Officer abolished all the 52 posts of survivor engaged on various places as they were on temporary establishment. Stop. Accordingly, service of respondent as survivor came to be terminated on 2/08/1987. Stopped after about 8 years. Respondent submitted an application for reference in terms of Section 10 of the Industrial Disputes Act, 1947 within bracket insert the act bracket closed. Before Deputy Commissioner of Labour, Aurangabad. Stop. It was stated that the respondent was working in the Public Works Department, Aurangabad till 3/04/1986 when he were orally terminated. Stop. Prayer was made for continuity of service with back wages. Stop. The Deputy Commissioner of Labour made reference under Section 10 within bracket 1 bracket closed and 12 within bracket 5 bracket closed of the Act to the Labour Court, Solapur for adjudication. Stop. The Public Works Department, on receipt of the notice from the Labour Court, made inquiries about the service particulars from the Office of the Subdivisional Soil Conservation Officer. Stop. By letter dated 9/3/1995. Stop. Subdivisional Soil Conservation Officer, Osmanabad, informed the subdivisional engineer that by order dated 1/8/3/1986, respondent was appointed as survivor on contractual employment, and on 2/5/1986 he was transferred to subdivisional soil conservation officer, Paranda. Stop. As per order of the Commissioner, Aurangabad, appointments of survivor on temporary establishment came to an end. Stop. Respondent examined himself in the support of his claim and exhibit 3 documents. Stop. One of the documents purportedly indicated that the respondent worked in the division till 31st August, 1986. Stop. An officer of the Subdivisional Soil Conservation Office, Aurangabad, was examined in support of the appellant's case. Stop. The Labour Court passed an award, inter alia, holding that within bracket 1 bracket closed termination of respondent with effect from 3/04/1986 was illegal and within bracket 2 bracket closed he was to be reinstated with back wages such that 25% of the back wages stopped challenging the aforesaid order. A writ petition was filed before the Bombay High Court, which was dismissed by impugned order Stephen Para. Land Council for the appellant submitted that the approach of the Labour Court and the High Court is clearly erroneous. Stop. Thank you.